Belinda, Selene, and welcome back to my channel. We are going to continue our spring cleaning series here on my channel. We are halfway through summer, but we are not giving up. We are still going to declutter. This time we're going to tackle the bathroom. I thought twice before filming this video because I thought it was even more embarrassing than the clothes. And when you guys saw the clothes, you guys were like, oh my god, you have a problem. And when I started taking everything out of the bathroom, I'm like, whoa, did this even be on the internet? And I was like, you know what, this is real life, we're going to do this. And this video is a collaboration with my friend Alexandra. I watched one of her videos, became obsessed, and I binge watched like all of her videos, and I absolutely love her. I asked her if she wanted to do this collaboration with me.
Hi guys, I'm Alexandra Buter. I post videos on cleaning routines and organization, DIY projects, home decor, even a little vlogging, and my goal is to provide you guys with inspiration for your everyday life. After you watch Belinda's video, definitely check out the link below for my channel and come say hi. I would love to have you, and I will see you there. Bye!
If you guys are coming from Alexandra's channel, welcome! Please join our family, hit that subscribe button, and turn on your notifications. That way you guys get notified when I upload new videos. And now let's get into the video. So this is my master bathroom. Do not let it fool you, because behind these doors there's a huge mess. Now, it's no secret that I get PR packages and I get a lot of products sent to me, and I hold on to that guilt that they're brand new products and that I have to use every single one of them. And so I keep them all in here, but when I run out of like toothpaste or body wash or anything like that, I can't even find it in here, and I end up buying more because I honestly just don't know what I have. Same thing goes with all of these products over here. There's just way too much, and we need to get rid of what we don't need. This is our guest bathroom upstairs, and this is another place I like to hoard at. We have some stuff in those drawers and also underneath the cabinets. I like to keep some extras there for guests, but it's gotten out of hand. This bathroom goes all the way down over here. We also have stuff in these drawers, and that one too. And then we have a bunch of stuff here too. We don't have that much stuff in here, but we still got some stuff in there. All right. Celebrating the moments that lift us. Alright, let's tackle this bathroom. I have my TV on, so I don't get bored. You're not supposed to, but it's too quiet here, so let's get started. In order to declutter our entire bathroom, the very first step is super easy. You are literally just going to take everything out of the shower, the cabinets, the drawers, the linen closets, out of anywhere in the bathroom, and you're going to lay it out all on the floor. This is going to be a huge shock for you because you're going to be like, wow, I had no idea I owned so much. You don't want to do this in increments of things because you want to see everything out on the floor, everything that you have, and it's really going to help you declutter and get rid of things that you absolutely do not need, because it's going to be a hassle trying to store it back up. The book that inspired this decluttering is called The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up. I highly recommend it. I downloaded it on Audible, and then I just listened to it in the car, and it is a complete game changer. It really puts you in that mindset of what you should do and in what order you should declutter your entire house. Put everything out on the floor. This is quite embarrassing. When you bring it all out like this, it really puts you in a shock, because I just can't believe how much stuff fit in there. We have those towels. I seriously couldn't find anything in there. And we still have those drawers to empty still, so we gotta go through those. But I just cannot believe it. I'm gonna have to dump all of that stuff on that side if it fits. But you have to dump everything out, because otherwise you're not gonna see what you have. Now that we have everything out on the floor, I grab 2 garbage bags. One of them is going to be garbage, and the other one's going to be things that are brand new that I can donate or give away. Once I sat there, it was so easy to go through this because I just wanted to get rid of as much as possible, seeing how much crap I had everywhere. And so it just made the process a lot easier, because if I knew that I hadn't used it in like the past 3 months or so, then I was able to give it away. And then if I actually was using it, I was able to keep it. Then everything else I just threw away. So it wasn't hard at all. I would highly recommend it. I think the hardest part about throwing away things that are full or that are not all the way used is the guilt of knowing that you spend money on it. But there's a quote on Pinterest that I came across and it totally changed my mind. And it said, you're not going to get more use out of it by shoving it in the back of a closet. So that is so true. I'm not going to get, if you're going to use it and actually use it up. But if it's just there, taking up space and storage, then just literally throw it out. You just have to be very honest with yourself because you can't lie to yourself and say, oh, I'll eventually use it, because eventually will never come. So this is 1 out of 3 full garbage bags that I actually did get rid of, and we're just going to take that out and then we are going to continue. So I had to go through several of these. Another thing that was really hard for me to get rid of were like makeup bag or cosmetic bags. I went back and forth in what I wanted. So at the end, when it was really hard for me to decide, I kept it till the very end on things that I couldn't decide. And then once I was done getting rid of things, I went back and it helped me make a smarter decision whether I wanted to keep it after all or not. Something that the book mentioned was saying something about toiletries and how you should just get rid of travel size products if you don't travel often, because they're most likely to dry up since they are in sample size bottles or smaller bottles. And that is so true. I went through a couple of little travel size products that I had stored away and I thought I was eventually going to use, and they were all dried up. And then there was others that were good, so I saved them. So go through your travel size products as well. I didn't have enough floor space to lay everything out from these drawers. So before storing anything back, before we put anything away, you want to continue taking stuff out of drawers just in case it was too small of a space and you couldn't lay everything out. So since we were done with the linen closet, I went inside of the drawers and I took everything out once again. Like I said, before storing anything back or putting things away, bring it all out again. Well, at least the rest of the items. And these are a lot of hair appliances that I had no idea that I had, and that's because they were in like separate drawers. They were also in the other drawers from the guest bathroom. And then on top of here, I just got rid of some things that I no longer needed in my skincare routine since I do like to change it quite often. And then I just went ahead and I cleaned it out. We are watching Phantom of the Opera, one of my favorite movies ever. And then this is what we're keeping. This is what we're getting rid of. I'm officially done decluttering. Now it's time to put things away. But before that, I'm gonna quickly wipe everything down, each one of the drawers, especially this one right here because this has just a bunch of random things in there that I want to keep, but it's a good time to grab like a disinfecting wipe and just start going all of the products that you have in your bathroom. It's a good time just to clean it all, and don't let storage containers stop you from decluttering because you most likely won't have those storage containers that you want, but by decluttering and getting rid of everything at once, it'll give you a better vision of what products you can use to store other products, if that makes any sense. Like a lot of people are like, no, I don't have any bins to like organize things afterwards. Like, don't worry about it. Don't do that yet. First, just get rid of everything and clean everything up, and then you can go back and decide how to store it. Are you guys ready to see the afterwards? It is a big difference from before. Everything's organized. I only kept the things that I knew 100% I was going to use, and I can actually find where everything is at. Now, things are not stored exactly how I want them to, but at least I could see everything that I have, and it's organized in some kind of way, and I could just reach into any drawer. I know exactly where the toothpaste is, where we have extra soap or extra shampoo, or where a certain gadget is at. Like, I know where everything is at. So eventually I will get some cute storage containers, especially in the linen closet, and put everything in there, but for now this will do. Like, this is so great. I am so happy I kept everything that I actually used, and the things that I didn't, I'm able to donate, give away, or sell if I have to, and it just made my life so much easier. So this is what the guest bathroom looks like, and in here I just had a bunch of random things that didn't even make sense, but it's somewhat empty and it's good. I want to keep it like this because I know where everything is at, and that's the best feeling. Let me know if you guys are following up with me in this series. What have you decluttered so far? What have you been motivated to declutter so far? Let me know in the comments down below. I hope this video was helpful to you guys because these always
like get me in that mindset and really help me out. And I feel like sometimes I just need to watch these to get me to actually do it and not just think about it, because it helps, believe me, and hopefully you don't have to do it ever again. So yeah, please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Likes always help my channel because it tells YouTube that people are engaged, and it's most likely to pop up on other people's feed, and that is how you help by liking my video. And now head on over to Alexandra's channel because you're going to absolutely love her, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Muchos besos. Mwah.